Hi Eden Valley Drones. Quick short video, won't make this too long. Here's some ground shots for you. I hope you like them. I've taken some photographs. I'll download them on my Facebook page, Drone Flying in the UK. So if you want to check those out, there's quite a few there for you to have a look at. But what a fantastic crane that is. I just can't stop watching it. It's just magnificent. And there's a guy up there. If I put my finger up there, you see him in a red jacket, orange jacket. I don't know what he's doing. See if I can zoom in a little bit more. You can see that guy working up there. Look at the size of those weights at the end. They're gigantic. Anyway, we'll see you tomorrow morning. Well, you won't see me, but I'll try to download it. Probably be about 8 o'clock on Monday evening, because I've got a lot of stuff to download and edit. Catch you all later. Bye.